What's the meaning of cortex? Cortex. Cortex.
Cortex. Cortex. The cortex refers to the outer layer of an organ or structure, typically the brain. In the brain, the cortex is responsible for many important functions such as consciousness, sensory perception, and voluntary movement. It is divided into different regions, each with its own specialized functions. Damage to the cortex can lead to a variety of neurological disorders, including impaired cognition, movement, and sensation. Understanding the cortex and its functions is crucial for developing treatments for these types of disorders and improving our overall knowledge of the brain and how it works.